Welcome to my brand new channel, Flavors and Footprints. Today we're making chicken and vegetables on a Traeger wood pellet smoker. We'll start by turning on the smoker and letting it warm up to 225 degrees. We will cook at this temperature for 1 hour and then we will ramp it up to 375 degrees until the internal temperature of the chicken hits 165 degrees. While it heats up, let's prep all the vegetables. Here's everything we'll be working with today. Our goal is to have a delicious dinner with the family. So first up, we're gonna get our mushrooms and we're gonna slice them evenly to keep the size consistent and to make sure we carefully complete all of them. We'll then add all of them to our aluminum tray, pre-coated with olive oil. Next, we're gonna do the same with our potatoes. Chop them evenly and put them on the tray. Then we'll move on to carrots, trying to keep them as even as possible. And then we're gonna do the same with our onion, carefully trying to stick them together and finish up with the green onions and the rest of the herbs. With the vegetables ready, it's time to season the chicken. Make sure the skin is completely dry. Then we're gonna brush both sides with olive oil and as a bonding agent, and we're gonna start applying some garlic salt, followed by a barbecue rub. So we'll apply them evenly through all the surface. And then I usually start with the chicken, the back of the chicken. So when I cook it, the breast side up, it looks perfectly finished. Then we're gonna apply some smoked paprika to evenly coat the whole area. And then we'll repeat the process now on the breast and the legs and wings of the chicken. So once all the condiments have been applied to the breast, we'll finish with a little touch of cumin, which gives a distinct flavor to our chicken. Once that's done, we'll stuff the cavity with citrus, garlic, green onions, apple, and fresh herbs like parsley, thyme, and rosemary. Fill it as much as possible, but be careful. So we want to maintain what we've done with the rub and the spices, so we don't need to do a lot of touch up. So in order to make that perfectly even again, we're gonna apply a little bit more of your barbecue rub to make the surface even. Now it's time for us to inject our chicken with a mix of melted butter and some all-purpose seasoning. So carefully, we're gonna inject both sides of the breast and both legs. And this is gonna keep our chicken juicy and flavored. So after resting the chicken for a few minutes, we'll head back to the smoker. We're gonna place the vegetables on the lower tray so they soak up all the flavor from the chicken dripping above. We'll set the Traeger to 225 degrees and then in a matter of an hour and a half to 2 hours, we're gonna get a perfectly smoked chicken and vegetable ready to eat. Thank you.